Today we are going to see a grammar topic which is very important. As you are seeing, the name is already written on the board, degree of comparison. You all are very well known to these three degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree, its structure is as sometimes as it's used, and most of the time sometimes so is used as so. Here it comes adjective. For comparative degree, more is used for the adjectives which can't carry the suffix er, and the adjectives which easily carry the suffix er are used there in the comparative degree, followed by than. And in the superlative degree, the is compulsory. The same rule is applied here when the adjective doesn't carry est. Most is used for the adjective, otherwise you have always your est form, third form of the adjective, to be used in the superlative degree. I have segmented the ways of solving these degree sentences in three ways. I call them cases. In my case number 1, one adjective is compared with one another. See, greater than, less than, or even equal to. If such type of comparisons are done there in the sentence, that is case number 1. I can draw a figure here. This one object, it may be anything. It may be a river, it may be a mountain, it may be a star, it may be a person, it may be a classroom, it may be a bench, whatever. Any one thing is compared with one another of the same group. River can't be compared with mountains. So if it is the Ganga river, it will be Brahmaputra. Sentence: my right hand is stronger than my left hand. In this sentence, you can see the two objects mentioned here. Right hand is the first object and left hand is the second object. My left hand and my right hand. For these kind of sentences, you have to use a rule. I have named it ulta pulta. आपल्या मराठीत उलट पुलट, उलट पुलट करून टाकायचं. First, let me know which is the degree used in the sentence. It is comparative degree. As you see, this suffix er is used to the adjective strong and followed by your than. Here, when you use ulta pulta rule, you have to do these things. The first object object 1 goes at the place of object 2 and object 2 comes at the place of object 1. The second thing, if you are given an affirmative sentence, it becomes negative, and negative sentence becomes affirmative. Affirmative means positive sentence, the sentence having no negation in it. If in this sentence there is no negation used, when you will change its degree, you will have to use negation, no, not, never, whatever will be necessary there. The third thing, you have to change the degree. If you are given positive degree, that positive degree becomes comparative degree, and comparative becomes positive degree. See, now it's very easy for you. These structures are already written here on the board. For positive degree, as or so, adjective as, adjective's first form, and comparative more or er than. We'll solve this sentence. You are given comparative degree, we'll change it into positive degree. The second object, my left hand, my left hand, the tense of the sentence is this, is wala, simple present tense. My left hand is, and this rule you'll use now. Affirmative sentence will become negative. Is not as strong. Here you are given stronger, it will become strong. As strong as my right hand. Automatically, using this structure, you have changed the comparative sentence into positive one. One more for your practice. We'll solve it together. Virat Kohli is more famous than Rohit Sharma. First, we'll have to identify the two objects. Virat Kohli is one object and Rohit Sharma is the second object. Do use this rule. The given is, once again you are given comparative degree, you'll change it into positive degree, and keep it in mind that for the case number 1, you can't change the sentence into superlative degree because only two objects are compared with each other. When there are more than two objects, in that case only superlative degree sentences can be formed. Here, this positive, for the positive degree, you'll change the sequence of the objects. Rohit Sharma will come in the beginning of the sentence. Rohit Sharma is, here once again affirmative sentence was given to you, is not comparative degree, so positive degree structure as. Here this place is reserved for the adjective. What was the adjective here? More famous. For more famous, for the positive degree only famous will work. Rohit Sharma is not as famous as Virat Kohli. Did you get how to solve case number 1 when one object is compared with one another? It's so easy. Now there are two another cases. For the next two cases, we'll see them together because a comparison in between the two cases must be done. Otherwise, it confuses the students to understand the nature of these two cases. Case 2, here in case 2, one object is compared with all other. Its diagram will be like this. If this is a group of a same thing, there are so many, and out of these, one is greater or less than. In this case, comparison is done in this way. One object is compared with all others. And in case 3, few are compared with most other. What do you mean by most other? Most other doesn't mean everything. Most other means except few. Here, these few objects are compared. The diagram will be like this. These diagrams will always help you to understand the nature of the sentence. Here, this one object, only one name will be mentioned there in the sentence. But still, there are few which are not mentioned. This one object is mentioned, but some are left without being mentioned. But still they exist there in the sentence. For example, if I am comparing a cricketer with most other cricketers, if he is Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin Tendulkar's name is mentioned in the sentence. Sachin Tendulkar was one of the best cricketers of his time. But there, it doesn't mean that Sachin Tendulkar was the only greatest player. There were some other. This dot may be there for Brian Lara. It may be for Rahul Dravid, Ricky Ponting. Though only Sachin Tendulkar's name is mentioned, still one should understand that Sachin wasn't the only greatest player of his time. There were some other players. They may be whoever. So, just check the difference in between these two cases. Here, if he is Sachin Tendulkar is was the greatest cricketer of his time. Does mean that there was nobody as great as Sachin Tendulkar. There was nobody to be compared with Sachin Tendulkar. And here, Sachin Tendulkar was one of the greatest, means there were some other players. There were few players who were as great as Sachin Tendulkar. Got it? Now, we'll see the sentences. The Ganga is one of the largest rivers on the earth. Sorry, this is case third sentence, Ganga is the largest river on the earth. And here, the Ganga is one of the largest rivers on the earth. See, except this one of these sentences the same. The one of in the sentence has made the total difference. Both the sentences are of superlative degree. When we go to change them into comparative degree, the beginning remains the same for comparative degree. The Ganga is, when this is superlative degree, est is used as the suffix to the adjective large. It is superlative degree, and when we are going to change it into comparative degree, we'll use this structure. Adjective large, its suffix er. The Ganga is larger, and it is followed by than, as it is already mentioned there in the structure, than any other river on the earth. And for case number 3, the Ganga is larger than. See, till this word than, the answer remains the same. But now the difference is made, as here we have written any other, here it will come most or some many. Any word out of these two you can use. Than most other rivers on the earth. And for positive degree, the beginning changes. For case number 2, no other is used